Alright guys, so it's like 11 o'clock. Me and Matt got bored, so we took his pipe off his dirt bike. And we're gonna try and make it into like a works pipe. So we're sanding it down. And then we're gonna use like Primex pads. And yeah, and then if this actually looks good, he's gonna get a Pro Circuit R04 Shorty. And she'll be screaming after, so we'll see what we can do, and we'll show you guys if this ends up working. So if you guys want to do this with your two-stroke, you guys can go ahead and do so. So right now we're using the Primex pads on a bench grinder, and let's see how it's going so far. Like, look at that. We got like this spot right here done. It's looking good. Then we're gonna grab the torch, do along the weld, so it's like a works pipe. Yeah, so it's coming along pretty good. Alright, so we're actually almost done with the pipe. It's almost like 1 o'clock in the morning. We've been at this since like 11. It took us 2 hours. It's looking like this. Honestly, pretty good. We're gonna grab the torch, go along all the welds, make it like a works pipe. And yeah, so we're gonna throw it on the bike and show you guys what it looks like. I think it's gonna look better than just the stock black pipe. Like, this is what this was. Just used sanding discs on a grinder, like this. And then we got most of the big stuff off, and then we have a Primex rough wheel on that side, and then the fine wheel on this side. And yeah, it really helps like get rid of all the scratches. Like, this is the back side, so we're not really too worried about it. But if you look at the other side, show them. Like, that side, it's looking good. Like, did a good job on that side. But yeah, I'll show you guys when we're doing the torching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. Start the torching process. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. Look at that. Getting all nice and blue. All kinds of colors.
That's so hot.
Pipe's going on. He's saying it's still a bit hot.
It is still a bit hot.
What do you expect? We're gonna have to figure out how to get rid of that dent right there. But that's a problem for another day. Let's just admire this beautiful piece of art that we just made.
Say show.
For the cost of $60 for the Prime MX pads. So
Yeah. Versus $500 for a whole pipe.
yeah, and all you have to do now is get the silencer. It's gonna sound somewhat the same.
Oh man.
Silencer's only like $200 though, so you're good.
Yeah.
She's gonna be looking good with that thing on there. So like, it's not the greatest, like, you know, but like instead of spending $500, you can do this to your stock pipe. And yeah.